Aloha my kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for coming back. For those of you who have been here before, thank you so much for commenting on past episodes below. I've been reading all of your comments. I do read every single one of the comments. It may take me a little while, but eventually I will try to respond to every single one of your comments. There was one comment in particular that really resonated with me on one of the last videos, and it was from actually a former student of mine who took one of my workshops, and she recommended maybe doing an upload of all of our progress on Instagram, you know, encourage each other and post how we're doing on a particular song. And I would suggest using the hashtag HMA. If you tag me, I can go ahead and offer you some helpful tips on that particular song. And for those of you who are here for the first time, I upload a brand new Hawaiian song every single week, straight from this book called the He Mele Aloha book, and some people call it the Blue Book. And it's basically a giant collection of classic Hawaiian songs, traditional Hawaiian songs, that has the, you know, all of the songs have the chords over each of the words, but they don't have any notation or any sort of indication of what the melodies are. So I'm here to help you with that, to help familiarize yourself with some of the Hawaiian songs from the book. And this week is a popular hula song from Alice Johnson. It's a great classic hula song, and it's actually on this incredible album by Auntie Genoa Keave and Party Hulas. If you don't have it, this is a great album. If you're getting into Hawaiian music, I highly recommend this album. You don't have to get it on vinyl. It is available in digital and CD format as well. I highly recommend this one. This past week, I was able to teach at a great ukulele retreat called Tunes in the Dunes, and I taught several students how to play this particular song. We're just gonna go ahead and dive into the song because it's kind of long. There's 4 verses, and we're on page 214 if you're following along in the He Mele Aloha book. If you don't have this book, I will go ahead and link down some sources below where you can purchase the book, or you can actually just go ahead and follow along, because I always put the chords right up here and the ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi or the lyrics right down here. Chords are fairly simple. The song is in the key of C, F, G7, and C7. Okay, and we're gonna use a strum from, we actually used this, I think on the last video we used this strum. It's a very basic strum, which is basically up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, actually I forgot one more chord, which is the that open D7 that I like to use. And it's also known as an F sharp diminish. I like to call it the Hawaiian D7 or open D7. You can also play D7 like this. Okay? And we're gonna go ahead and vamp in before each verse, and the vamp is basically. And like always, we're gonna do 2 vamps in the beginning, and then after that, in between, we'll do 1 vamp in between. We're gonna go ahead and tackle the first verse. Let's just go ahead and dive right into it. First verse is He aloha wau ia oe la. He aloha wau ia oe la. Okay? Ko Pāpālina Lahilahi. I ka ho'opulu mau ia la. I ka hune hune o ke kai. And remember that from the last videos, we have the okina, which looks like an upside down apostrophe right before the vowel. If you see one of those, you just go ahead and place a little bit more emphasis. Like in this first verse, it's oe, oe, right? You hear that little attack on the O. And you may also see a kahako, which is a macron or a line right over the vowel. And that just means you want to go ahead and extend that or elongate that vowel. In this first verse, you see the kahako in la, okay, la, or Pāpālina, Pāpālina, okay? Something I kind of struggled with, either keeping this a kind of a pure series where I follow the text verbatim or straight from the book, or do I go ahead and make corrections, because it's not a perfect book. There are some areas that need corrections. In this case, I decided to go for the latter, I want to go ahead and make corrections as I see them, or if I see something that I think would sound a little bit better, as is in the case in this song. If you notice in the He Mele Aloha book, they put a C to start the song. I think it would start better, it would sound better with a C7 going into the F to lead us in. Okay, so we're going to start with that C7 coming right out of the vamp. Okay. First verse is done. Second verse is He aha no ho'i kaula o ke ala viki ana mai. O ke ala viki ana mai. Ua ike iho no oe la. That's a kind of a tongue twister on that one. Ahe pua oe ua ako ia. And that's another tongue twister. Ahe pua oe ua ako ia. Okay, let's try that one. Alright, we're gonna go with the third verse. Third verse is Ha'awi he molele ia la mai ke po'o akahi'u. He aha no ho'i kaula o ka pū lale lale ana mai. O ka pū lale lale ana mai. Okay, let's try that one. Another tongue twister of a verse. Ha'awi he molele ia la mai ke po'o and then now we're at the very last verse, Ha'ina, and we discussed in the last episodes that Ha'ina is very common in Hawaiian music. It's basically recapping the song in one last verse. And this one's gonna go Ha'ina mai kapuana la ko Pāpālina Lahilahi. Ha'ina hou kapuana la he aloha wau ia oe. Okay? He aloha wau ia oe. Alright, let's go. We went ahead and tackled all of the verses. Now we're going to go ahead and try the whole song all the way through, and that means no stopping, a little bit faster. We're going to do the vamp twice in the beginning and then once in between each verse, and then maybe twice again at the very end. Okay, and, because there's so many verses in this song, 4 verses, we're gonna go ahead and do each verse just once. We might do the Ha'ina twice. I haven't decided yet, and we'll just go ahead and keep the ending very simple and end it. Okay, C, G7, C. All right, let's go. kapuana e aloha wau ia oe. Haina mai kapuana ko Pāpālina Lahilahi. Haina ho kapuana e aloha wau ia oe. Great job, you made it. I don't know if you're paying attention or listening to my strum. It may sound like a simple strum, which is a simple up and down strum, but if you notice, if you listen closely, I am accenting on the 2 and the 4 beat, okay? Just listen real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it just makes it sound a little bit more dynamic, a little bit more rhythmic, and a little bit more danceable for the hula dancer. It makes them want to get up and dance the song. And if you guys want to find out more information about me, go to www.stevenespaniola.com as usual. And please check out my Instagram, which is @StevenEspaniola. And I'll link that also right here. And remember what I said before, if you want to track your progress, if you want to show others your progress, go ahead and use the hashtag HMA, which stands for He Mele Aloha, and be sure to tag me. And until next time, malama pono and ahui ho.